The spoken word is another powerful form of vibration, because it is a direct physical manifestation of thoughts you think, and vice versa, meaning that the thoughts you think directly impact words you speak, and the words you speak directly impact thoughts you think. Really, all any language is a finite prism in which the thoughts of an individual can be contained. As anyone who speaks multiple languages will explain to you, there's only a limited extent you can convey within any given language. To begin to utilize your language to your advantage in presiding over your existence, you need to be able to recognize what vibration these words are carrying. And you do this through identifying the phonetics and the etymology of the words, meaning how it's spoken or heard, the literal frequency you use it, and the history or origins of the words you speak. For example, in our English language, many of the commonplace words we use today are derivative of Latin roots, and these Latin roots on their own are very easy to identify and blatant in the vibrations that they carry. However, in their new English format, it's much more difficult to identify these same vibrations in their new iterations. But in doing so, you're able to much more successfully determine what you're creating in your experience. As an example, exchanging phrases like "I'm sorry" for "thank you for" is an entire paradigm shift, out of a place of regret and self-loathing into one of gratefulness, gratitude, and positivity, just in exchanging that one phrase. From a manifestation aspect, exchanging phrases like "I hope" or "I wish" for "I have" and "I am embracing" takes you out of a place of lack and expressing the impossibility of a thing into a place of abundance and fulfillment just by altering that one pattern. As an overall framework, taking things out of the past and future tense and bringing them into the present allows you to much more easily identify the impact these vibrations are having on your experience. Because everything you need or want is here, now. The only determining factor is whether your attention is aligned with that desire. And this is how you make reality happen.